Ready to supercharge your Squarespace website with the power of customer reviews. First, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the Settings menu, usually found at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. Next, scroll down until you see the Advanced section and click on it. In the Advanced settings, select Code Injection. This is where we will add the necessary scripts to connect to Trustpilot. Now, head over to your Trustpilot business account. Locate the Integrations or Widgets section. The wording may vary slightly depending on your account setup. Browse the available widgets and choose the one you like. The star rating widget is great for showing your overall score, while the carousel widget showcases individual reviews. Customize the widget to match your website's design. Adjust the color, size, and other settings to create a seamless integration. Trustpilot will provide you with a code snippet. Make sure to copy the entire code, including both the JavaScript and HTML parts, if applicable. Return to Squarespace and paste the copied code into the footer section of the code injection settings. This ensures the widget loads correctly on all pages. If you need to place the widget on a specific page, go to that page in Squarespace and add a code block where you want the widget to appear. Paste the HTML part of the Trustpilot code into the code block. Save your changes and preview your website. Your Trustpilot widget should now be visible, displaying your stellar customer reviews. Now you can sit back and watch those conversions increase.